So let's start. So first of all, start, click on start button, click on all programs, click on Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so here we have opened a blank document. Okay, this is a blank document. Now creating the title slide. So here we are going to create a title slide. So just click on title, and write any of the title as per your requirement. So I'm just typing introduction to computers. Introduction to computers. Okay, now we have another option here. We can add a subtitle. So here I'm just going to write by the students of class 5. Okay, by the students of class 5. So here we have given the title and the subtitle of this presentation. Okay, see here we have started a blank document, and now we are going to add a design theme. Okay, so what you need to do, you can click on design tab here, you can click on design tab here, and you can click on any of the design as per your requirement. You can click on any of the design as per your requirement. So we have selected this design. Okay, now adding a new slide to the presentation. What you need to do, click on home tab, click on new slide, and the new slide will be added to your document. Okay, new slide will be added to your presentation, and see here again this has a title and a subtitle. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to add text to slide 2. This is slide number 2. This is slide number 1. Okay, so we are going to add text to slide 2. Okay, so here we are going to write types of computer. Types of computer. And here we are going to add desktop, enter, laptop, enter, palm top, enter, mini, enter, mainframe, enter, supercomputer. See here, we have added the different types of computer to our slide number 2. Okay, now changing the slide layout. Now here we are going to change the slide layout to our slide number 2. See what you need to do. This slide is already selected. What you need to do, you can go to home tab. From here click on this arrow on new slide. What you can do, leave it here. You can go to layout and then click on this, and here we are going to click on to content. See here we have got one more option to click to add text. Okay, so what you need to do, we have different options available here. We have insert table, chart, smart art graphic, picture insert, clip art, and this media. Okay, so here we are going to add a clip art image to our slide number 2. So just click on clip art, and now see this document is about types of computer. So let's type computer. So I'm just typing computer, click on go, and see here we have some clip art image of computers, and see among them I will be choosing one computer. So I'm just clicking on this arrow, I'm selecting this and clicking on this arrow and click on insert. Once I click on insert, this computer is added to slide number 2. Computer is added to slide number 2. What you can do, you can resize this by dragging it to the right and left, okay, and see, this is added. So this is the clip art image that we can add to our slide. Next, we're going to add a picture image. What you need to do, if you want to add a picture image, what you need to do, you need to remove it. So what you need to do, just click on it, click on delete, it is removed. Now we have other options present here. So click on insert picture, click on insert picture, and what we need to do, we need to search for the picture which is best suiting here, So I need to add types of computer, so it is not available. So what will I do, I will be searching type of computer from Google. So click on Chrome, let the Chrome be started first, then we will be searching pictures about types of computer and we will be adding it. Clear? So let's open it first. Now here we can search types of computer in the search bar, okay. And we will be searching about the images of types of computer. Any of the image which is very much suiting to us can be added. So here I will be downloading this picture, then just right click on it and click on save image as. I'm just saving this on the desktop, click on save, okay, this is saved. Now I can minimize it and I will be checking it. This is here, okay. Now what can I do, I will be adding that picture that I have downloaded right now. Just go to the desktop and here you can search for the image. Here we have types of computer and see it is added here. It is added here, okay. Now next what are we going to do, we are going to add solid color, gradient texture or custom image in background. So before we do anything, what we need to do, adding a border to the image. So we are going to add a border to the image. For this what you need to do, make a click on the picture, okay, make a right click, click on format picture and see here what you need to do, click on line color, click on solid line. Here you can select the color that is required. So I'm just selecting this color, okay, then click on line style, okay. Here you can change the width, see, just look at here, the changes will be applied. So I'm just making it 4 point and see here, this is already selected. Click on close and see a border is applied to the picture. Now next we are going to add solid color, gradient, texture or custom image in background, okay. So first of all we are going to apply solid background color. So okay, for this what you need to do, click on the design tab, click on background styles. So here it is background styles, click on this arrow and here we have different background styles. See, once I'm clicking on it, see what happens. See, the design is changing. Background style is changing, okay. So what I'm going to do, I will be selecting a desired background. See, I have selected that, okay. Now what you need to do, click on close button and you will be out. See, if you want to apply it to the all the slides, what you need to do, again just click on the background styles, click on format background. See here, not the format background, only background styles. Click on it. See, it is selected. See, if you want to change, what you need to do, click on format background. Okay, solid fill. Okay, the color is already selected. If you want to make it apply to all, just click on apply to all, and see that will be applied to the other part of the presentation as well. It means it will be applied to the other slides as well. Okay, now what you need to do, click on close after making it. Okay, next we are going to add gradient. Again, the design tab is already selected. Click on background styles, format background, and this time click on gradient fill. Okay, click on gradient fill, and then here we have some preset colors. What you need to do, you can select any of the preset color and see the look of the background of this slide is too nice. It is too nice. What you can do, if you want to apply this to all the document, what you need to do, click on apply to all and then click on close. Okay, so like this you can apply gradient color. Okay, next we're going to learn about texture or custom image. Texture or custom image. So first of all, we are going to learn about texture fill color. Okay, so what you need to do, again same, click on design tab, go to background styles, click on format background. Okay, this time you have to choose the third option. Okay, third radio button where picture or texture fill is located. Okay, now what you need to do, just click on this arrow and here you can find there are different textures available. See, when I'm just bringing my cursor over the textures and that is being applied. Okay, see, if you don't like it, you can again click on it and see that will be applied. If you want to apply this to all the slides, what you need to do, click on apply to all and see, and that will be applied. Okay, now we are going to learn about custom image fill. For this, what you need to do, just go to design tab again, click on background styles, click on format background, and this time we're going to learn how to custom image fill. Okay, see here, for this what we need to do, you have to come here, let it be selected here and click on insert from file. Just click on it and choose the location, choose the desired location from where you're going to insert a picture. So what I'm going to do, I will be selecting this as the background and check what happens. And see, the background is with some other picture, and see, with the help of this background, the presentation is not looking that good. So what you can do, again you can click on file tab, go to the location where the pictures are located. You can select any of the picture and see the picture will be applied. Okay, so here you have learned how to add a custom image as a background to your slide. Okay, so I'm just keeping this background in this slide only. Now changing PowerPoint view, you can change the view of the PowerPoint. Okay, so we have different views of the PowerPoint. See here, normally this normal view is applied. Second is slide sorter view. Once you're clicking on it, the slides, how many slides our presentation has, will be viewed like this. And then once you're clicking on reading view, see the slide will be looking like this. Okay, this is the reading view, and see, next, this is the slideshow view. This is the actual view of the slide. which will be visible to the audience to which you have prepared this presentation. Okay, so like this you can check your slide and you can close it. Okay, so normally we are keeping our view in the normal position like this. Okay, so we have different views available. Okay, now adding slide transition, you can add a transition effect to your slide. Okay, so we are going to the next slide. Here the text are not visible clearly, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to the home tab, I'm just going to the font group, I'm just changing the font color, making it bold, making it little bigger. Okay, this also I need to change, so just make it black and bold. Okay, and now it is quietly visible. Okay, so how to add slide transition? Bring the slide in which you want to add a transition. So I would like to add transition in this slide. Okay, click on transition tab on the ribbon. So here we have transition tab. Okay, we have transition tab here. You can scroll through the available transition effects. We have different transition effects. You can click on here, and here we have different transition effects, and see, once I am just clicking on it, see the transition is looking like this. We have different transition. Now I'm just clicking on the first slide, and see here we have different transition. You can apply different transition to your slide and your slide will be looking so beautiful. Okay, so this is the way you can add a transition. If you don't want transition to your slide, if you don't want transition to your slide, what you can do, let's see, the transitions are already applied. You want to remove it, what you can do, just click on this arrow, go to none, and see the transitions will be removed. Okay, now adding animation effects. अब हम इसमें animation effects add करेंगे. So we are going to add animation effects from the first slide only. So what I'm going to do, just I'm selecting the first slide, and this time I'm just clicking on animations. I have selected. Now what we need to do, you can scroll through the available animation effects. So here we have different animations available. See here, one thing I'm just going to tell you, before you apply any of the animation, you need to select the text. Okay, now see, these are on. Here we have arrow. We can select any of the animation effect, and see your animation effect will be added. Okay, so like this we can select different slides and we can add different animation effects. Okay, so I'm going to just select fade here. This is so nice. And now I'm just going to add an animation effect to my picture as well. So I'm just going to click on fly in, and see, this is applied. Okay, so this is the way through which you can add animation effects. Here I have shown you, you just click on this, you can apply different animation effects to the simple text, sorry, same text. Okay, so here just select it, and you can add some more animation to your slide. Okay, so the same text will be having some more animations available. Next, we are moving to running a slideshow. See, after doing everything, see here one more thing is left, animation pane. Animation pane can be visible once you select any slide. You can click on animation pane, and it is available here, and this is showing you how many animation styles are added to your slide or particular slide. Okay, see, these are the types of animations added to the slide. Now slideshow view. Next is the slideshow view, how your slides will be visible. So what you can do, you can just click on the slideshow and see what happens. This is the slide, and one by one, once you make a click, your slide will be appearing like this. Okay, and see here, this is the second slide. Okay, and see, once you make a click using your keyboard, the different options will available or will be visible in the slide. So like this we can add different effects in our presentation, and it looks your presentation, it makes your presentation more beautiful and look like a professional presentation. So here the chapter is over. You can try these practical at home in your computer. The student, those who don't have computer, they can watch this video again and again so that their concept will be clear.